what's up? Welcome back to my channel, I guess. So I've been watching Korean beauty videos and American videos and like any kind of beauty videos ever since I was young. Let's get it. I need to stop doing that. Hi. So I don't know if you guys have watched my other videos, but I do videos in Korean and then some in English, I think. No, wait. I've done most of my videos in Korean. So today I'm going to be speaking in English.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Where's my primer?
Hi guys, so I've come to terms with the fact that I can't do voiceovers, so I'm going to have text-to-speech do it. I'm putting on a primer.
So how are you guys today? I'm doing fine, spectacular, because I'm, you know, great as always. Kind of good, kind of fresh.
Put on foundation.
Just gonna slather this all over my face.
Now blend it out to the best of your abilities.
Okay, I know this foundation is like way too light for me, but it's not because I want to look whiter, okay? So don't come for me. When I came back from Korea, I got really white, and now that I'm back here, I got a little tanner and it doesn't match, but who cares? Okay, well, that'll have to do.
Now put on concealer.
Bruh, it looks like I haven't slept in like 20 years.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Wow, I look really white. Okay, set this face.
What the?
Okay, so I don't know why I stopped talking, but I'm going to speed this part up again. Hahaha, this is the Pony FX Master Contouring Palette. I literally cannot live without it. I'm going to chisel my cheeks so that it looks like I hadn't eaten ramen the night before.
Okay, now I'm gonna put on some bronzer.
This is Hoola by Benefit, aka the only bronzer I know how to use.
And now it's time to bake.
IDK what I'm doing.
I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. Oh, I kind of like it actually. Okay.
I got this palette in Korea and I really like it, lol. It is the Clio Matte X Metal palette. I'm going to take this light brown color and put it all over my lid and crease. Don't forget to blend.
Right, for the next color, I'm gonna go into, let's see, this color right here. Use my broken nail and my nasty nail. I'm supposed to get them done tomorrow, okay? Don't come for me. I'm getting them done tomorrow. I'll use my finger. I feel like for Korean eyeshadows, like your finger is really the best way to apply the shadows. Not that I would know. I'm not a makeup artist, so don't at me.
What is that noise?
They just have to do it while I'm filming a video. It's fine.
Everything's fine.
As you can see here, I'm applying the eyeshadow with my fingers and then blending it out with a brush. I was having a good time until my neighbors decided to mow their lawn.
I can't. Is that how you're supposed to bake? I don't know. Please don't come for me. I don't know how to do makeup. I just like making myself look better than I usually do. And I don't know how that's turning out, to be honest.
Now I'm putting this burnt orange color all over my lower lash line.
Now I'm gonna take this sparkly shade, this third one right here, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. Do you see this?
I'm going to use this dark brown eyeshadow as eyeliner, and then I'm going to poke myself in the eye with my brush.
Ow! I don't know why, but recently I like to leave this kind of like gap in between. I don't know why.
Here I'm lining my lower lashes with the same dark brown eyeshadow, leaving a gap between the upper and lower lid. Now I'm going to put on an inner corner highlight color.
Wow, 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 wow.
Put that sparkly eyeshadow in your inner corners and don't forget the brow bone as well.
So I'm gonna put on blush now, and as you can see, it's like totally wrecked, but we'll see what we can do with it. So I'm gonna use a lot of this blush today. I don't know, I just like putting a lot of blush on nowadays. Okay, that's a lot, but I'm gonna put on more, so.
Sorry, I'm not really good at talking while doing my makeup, as you can see. LOL. Anyway, sorry for the clicking sound in the back. It's probably my camera trying to focus. IDK how to be a YouTuber, but I'm trying my best, I really am.
Okay, now I'm gonna try to draw on some freckles. I don't really know how to do it, so yeah, we'll just try.
I'm just making small dots with my eyebrow pencil, but TBH, I have no idea what I'm doing. Don't do this at home, kids.
Oh my god, this looks terrible. Let's see if I can make it better with some gel eyeliner. We'll see. I don't know. This could be a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, so this is what the makeup looks like so far.
Curl your lashes. Put on mascara and then shake your head like a madman. Wow, I really don't know how to talk while doing my makeup. Sorry if this is boring, LOL. I should just title this Get Ready With Me, but text-to-speech does my voiceover. Emotional. I'm putting on a bunch of highlighter because there can never be too much highlighter.
Oh my god, that's so pretty. Anyway, okay. Last but not least, lips.
OMG, why am I like this?
This is 3CE's Soft Lip Lacquer in the color Perk Up. I'm trying this for the first time, so I don't know how it's gonna look. Blend it with my finger. Alright, we're done with the makeup. Woo!
Okay, you guys, that was my holiday makeup Get Ready With Me. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please subscribe. If you like this type of editing, or even if you don't like it, let me know in the comments. Thanks, and I'll see you in my next video. LOL. Happy Christmas, y'all.